I don't know what happened, guys, in between. Okay, see, let me start with the design procedure of design of plate girders, which is one of the important theoretical question in your external exam point of view. So if you know the procedure, you can able to answer question even from in between the design steps also. Okay, so in that way, these steps are very important. So let me write down the design steps like this. So first you have to assume the self weight. Assume the self weight of plate girder with the given formula. What is the given formula? W by 200. Okay, so from here you are going to assume the self weight of the plate girder. Second, so next you are going to decide whether to use or not the transfer stiffness and assume the value of K. Okay, so here you have to decide whether to use stiffeners or not. Okay, so here you are going to decide whether to use the stiffeners or not. So how to know whether you are supposed to use the stiffeners or not to use the transfer stiffness? So here you are going to assume the value of K. So by knowing its D by TW value. Okay, so assume value of K, which is as D by TW. So from here you are going to calculate the economical depth. Okay, so determine economical depth. So which is given as D is equal to MK by Fy power 1 by 3. So from here you are going to know the economical depth in the second procedure. Okay, understood? Right. So next step. So next, third step. What is the third one? So here, if D by TW is less than 67 epsilon, normal ordinary beam is going to be explained. So D by TW is less than 67 epsilon. You have to design with the normal ordinary beam. When D by TW is greater than 67 epsilon, you have to design it for stiffener beams at web. Okay, so which is a plate girder design laga untundi. Okay, so this is D by TW less than 67 epsilon. You have to design the plate girder as a normal beam. So plate girder you have to design as a normal beam. I think you all know how to design the normal beam design. You have to design for moment, you have to design for shear, you have to design for what? For deflection, you have to design for web buckling, you have to design for what? For web crippling. But here for the plate girder, when this condition is satisfied, you have to design it for stiffener beams. Like you have to design all things apart from the regular what you design: moment, shear, web buckling, web crippling, web crushing, deflection. The part 2, you have to design the web stiffness, longitudinally vertical stiffness, transfer stiffness, longitudinal stiffness also to be designed in this condition. Okay, in the fourth condition. Clear? Andarku ardhamavutunda? So when this condition satisfies, you have to design as a normal beam. When this condition satisfies, you have to design it for as a stiffener beam. Okay, next. So what is the next step? Sorry, fifth one. Determine the area of the flange required to resist moment. Okay, so how to determine the area? So you have to determine the area of flange, okay, required to resist. So why you have to design the flange? You have to design the flange to resist moment. Okay, for that, proportion so that BF by T satisfy requirements of plastic or compact or semi compact section ki మనం డిజైన్ చేస్తాం. వాట్ ఈస్ దాట్? B by TF కండిషన్ చెక్ చేయాలి based on plastic or semi compact or compact. So this is how you have to decide based on the width to thickness ratio BF by TF. Okay, next one, check the moment capacity of the girder. Moment capacity of the girder ni check cheyali. Okay, and the seventh one, so you have to find the shear resistance of the web using either simple post critical method or by the tension field method. So here you are having two methods to calculate the shear capacity. So shear resistance is going to be calculated on two methods. So one method is post critical method, other method is tension field method. So these two methods are there to calculate the shear resistance of the beam, right? Where your moment capacity of the beam should always be greater than the moment. Shear resistance should always be greater than the V value, right? And next, you have to check the design the web which is connected the flange plate and the web plate. Design the weld. So why? Because you have to design the weld also to connect the flange to web. Design the weld connecting flange plate to web plate. ఏం వెల్డ్ అమ్మా? ఫిల్లెట్ వెల్డ్ డిజైన్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ ఫిల్లెట్ వెల్డ్? FDW is equal to AW into FUW by √3 into gamma MW. So you have to check the fillet weld strength also to connect this flange plate to web plate. Okay, so two methods like this. Sorry. Okay, next. The next step is design the end bearing stiffness. Design the end bearing stiffness. What do you mean end bearing stiffness? So let us take this girder. So this is your support, this is your bearing, and which is transferring to the column, right? So this is called bearing. So whatever the stiffener you provide here, so this stiffener is called end bearing stiffener. So why? Because this stiffener is going to provide to transfer end reaction from support, from end to support. Okay, this is called a support. This is called bearing. This is called end bearing stiffener. Ivi, what are these? These two are called vertical or transfers. Okay, understood, right? So next, 10th step, design the connection of stiffness. You have to design the connection of stiffener. Okay, stiffeners in connection design cheyali. Why? Because these stiffeners are to be welded to the flange like this. These are going to be welded here. Okay, so that's how that welding also supposed to be designed. Next, 11th step, design the load carrying stiffness if required. Design the load carrying stiffness. This is based on the required, if required. Okay. And the last one, design intermediate stiffness if required. Design the intermediate stiffener if required. What do you mean load carrying stiffeners? Load carrying stiffeners are nothing but vertical stiffness, and this is intermediate stiffness. Ardhamavutunda? So load carrying stiffeners are also called as vertical stiffness. Okay, so they based on the requirement only you have to design. See, after complete design under shear, moment, weld, end bearing. Okay, they are having two end bearings, one bearing at one support, other bearing will be at other support, and design the connection of stiffness, how to connect this end bearing to the flange and the web. ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తారో దాన్ని కూడా డిజైన్ చేయాలి. దెన్ డిజైన్ ద లోడ్ క్యారింగ్ స్టిఫ్నెస్ ఇఫ్ రిక్వైర్డ్, నథింగ్ బట్ వెబ్ స్టిఫ్నెస్ని బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్ డిజైన్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, డిజైన్ ద ఇంటర్మీడియట్ స్టిఫ్నెస్ ఇఫ్ రిక్వైర్డ్. Okay, so these are the steps is to be followed. So why these steps are very very important? Because in examination they won't ask you to design the whole plate girder. In 3 hours examination it is very tough to design. So in that way they may ask you by giving some information up to plate girder design. They may ask you to design the weld, or they may ask you only to design the end bearing. They may ask you to only to design the vertical stiffener, or they may ask you only to design the intermediate stiffener. Or sometimes they may ask you to design the end bearing, vertical and intermediate stiffness. Ala kuda adutaru. Why? Because for that only half an hour to 40 minutes time is enough. Okay, so that's why if you know the procedure of designing the plate girder, you can start your problem at any midpoint. ఎక్కడైనా మీరు స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. సో దట్స్ వై దీస్ డిజైన్ స్టెప్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అండ్ ఈవెన్ ఫర్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ, they may ask you theoretical question in terms of write down the design steps of the plate girder ani design steps kuda adige chances untai. Okay, understood? So this is how the design of the plate girder is there. So now we are going to start problem on plate girder. So where I am going to do the complete design of the plate girder starting from selection, designing of the flanges and webs, connection, moment, shear, end bearing, vertical stiffness, intermediate stiffness. మొత్తం ఒక ప్రాబ్లం నేను చెప్తానమ్మా. సో దట్స్ వై దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్ టూ హెవీ. ఐ థింక్ దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ టోల్ యూ. ఇట్స్ గోన్ బి లైక్ 15 to 20 pages ఉంటుందమ్మా ఈ ప్రాబ్లం. Okay, so you should be very patient to solve this problem. So let me start this problem today and let me continue this problem tomorrow also, because you can't I can't do the problem on a single day because it's gonna take long time. So what I do is I will try to finish this problem till selection of flanges and check for moment. అక్కడ చూద్దాం ఎక్కడ వరకు మనకు పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటే అక్కడ వరకు చెక్ చేద్దాం. Okay, so before that I would like to share you one information here. What are the parameters is to be designed for a normal beam? What are the parameters is to be designed for the plate girder beam? Okay, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక కండిషన్ ఉంది. What is this condition? When d by tw less than 6 epsilon, you have to design it for a normal ordinary beam ga design cheyali plate girder ni. When d by tw is greater than 6 epsilon, you have to design beyond this, you have to design the web stiffeners also. Okay, so that I will try to explain you here as a normal beam and a plate girder beam. Okay, normal beam design, plate girder design. Okay, so conditions enti, when d by tw less than or equal to 6-7 epsilon, you have to design plate girder as a normal beam design. When d by tw is greater than 6-7 epsilon, you have to design it as a plate girder stiffener design. Okay, normal beam ప్లేట్ గర్డర్ డిజైన్ అనొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇది అన్నిటికీ ప్లేట్ గర్డర్కి అమ్మ. ప్లేట్ గర్డర్నే ఎలా డిజైన్ చేస్తారు ఇఫ్ ద కండిషన్స్ ఆర్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే ఓకే, సో లైక్ దిస్ ఇన్ టూ వేస్. వన్ ఈజ్ నార్మల్ బీమ్ ప్లేట్ గర్డర్ డిజైన్, అదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ ప్లేట్ గర్డర్ స్టిఫ్నర్ డిజైన్. ఏంటి స్టెప్స్? లెట్ మీ రైట్ ఆల్ స్టెప్స్ వన్ బై వన్. ఫస్ట్ షియర్ చెక్, మూమెంట్ చెక్, డిఫ్లెక్షన్ చెక్. ఓకే రైట్. ఫోర్త్ వన్ వెబ్ బక్లింగ్ చెక్. ఫిఫ్త్ వన్ వెబ్ crippling check. Okay, here you have to check for shear check, moment check. Okay, deflection check, web buckling check, web crippling check, okay, transverse stiffener check, longitudinal stiffener check కూడా చేయాలి. ఇంకోటి మర్చిపోయాను, ఇంకోటి ఏంటది? ఎండ్ బేరింగ్ స్టిఫ్నర్ చెక్. అలాంగ్ విత్ దాట్ ఇంకొకటి ఉంటుందమ్మా, వెల్డ్ కనెక్షన్. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంటుంది వెల్డ్ కనెక్షన్. ఓకే, ఒక చెక్ లిస్ట్ అనమాట దిస్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ చెక్ లిస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎ ప్లేట్ గర్డర్. ఇఫ్ దిస్ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు డిజైన్ ద ప్లేట్ గర్డర్ యాజ్ అ నార్మల్ బీమ్ డిజైన్ లాగా చేయాలి. షియర్ చెక్, మూమెంట్ చెక్, డిఫ్లెక్షన్ చెక్, వెబ్ బక్లింగ్ చెక్, వెబ్ క్రిప్లింగ్ చెక్, వెబ్ కనెక్షన్. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద కేస్, then you have to, if this is the case, when you have to check for shear check, moment check, deflection check, web buckling check, web crippling check. Along with that, transverse stiffener check, longitudinal stiffener check, end bearing stiffener check, web weld connection check. Okay, ila cheyali. Where your plate girder will be looks like this. Here your plate girder will looks like this. You will have an end vertical stiffness, like this. Okay, right? So this is vertical stiffener and this is longitudinal stiffener. So this is called stiffener's plate girder. This is called normal plate girder. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఒక్కొక్కలాగా అర్థమవుతుంది, రైట్? సో పీపుల్ మే అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆన్ దేర్ ఓన్ వే. సో దట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్ వై విత్ మోర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఐ రోట్ లైక్ దిస్. క్లియర్? అండర్స్టూడ్? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ద plate girder design, so on two categories. Okay, so by keeping this checklist in your mind, so you can start designing the problem, right? Clear? Andarki ardhamainda? Shall I proceed the problem? Please answer to my question, or you are done with this concept? అందరికీ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అర్థమైందా? బికాజ్ వితౌట్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఐ కాన్ స్టార్ట్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ అమ్మ. Because I want my students to involve in the problem, and you can able to relate with my things, right? So if you are satisfied with this, then I can start the problem, right, easily. Done. akkada kuda building untu. Clear? Right? అందరికి ఓకేనా మేడం? రజిత మ్యామ్ ఫైన్. సో షల్ ఐ స్టార్ట్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్? సో చూద్దాం ఎంతవరకు అయితే మనం చేయగలుగుతామో అంతవరకు చూద్దాం ఈరోజు. సో రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ వీ క్యాన్ కంప్లీట్ ఇట్ టుమారో. ఓకే, ఎనీవే ఐ టోల్డ్ టు కంప్లీట్ దిస్ ప్లేట్ గర్డర్ ఇట్ గోనా టేక్ 2 days ఫర్ మీ. సో టుడే ఐ థింక్ వీ హ్యావ్ కంప్లీట్లీ హ్యాడ్ ఏ క్లియర్ పిక్చర్ ఆన్ ప్లేట్ గర్డర్ కాన్సెప్ట్. థియరిటికల్గా ఈ డిజైన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఐ థింక్ వీ హ్యాడ్ ఎ వెరీ clear explanation, I hope, in my perspective. So you should tell me whether you are understood or not. Then I can start the problem. Please, I want response from you guys. If you respond, then it will be good enough. So please respond. Andarki okay na? The ఏమన్నా designs లో doubts ఉన్నాయా? If you have any doubts, so please let me know. See, these 2 checks are even common in the designing of the beams. Kada, the same checks even here also you can do to decide whether to design for a normal beam or to design for the stiffener beam. Okay, please, I want response from you guys, so please respond. Rajesh, Batni, John, Misim Khamer, where is Praveen, where is Anusha, where is Manideep? Guys, so please respond. If you say, then I will continue with this problem of plate girder, which is very very important. See, if you're very good in designing of the plate girders, so you can be involved in flyovers, okay, all road or bridges, designing of your railway bridges, designing of river or bridges, so which are deal with the steel structures. You can just go through and you can even start designing those kind of bridges anamata. Okay, so if you design one beam, so it will be same for other beams which are provided in its carriageway. Okay, so that's how you will be good enough in designing these plate girders manually. Okay, right, I think ma'am is fine. So rest of others also, so you can also respond in between. Okay, so we'll start the problem. Yeah, so let me write the question. Chudandi question anta simple ga untundo the problem will be too big, right? So question will be very simple. Question it just give the load and some information about the steel. So rest of everything will be different. Okay, so let me write down the question. Problem on plate girder. Okay, right, so let me write down the question. Design a welded plate girder of span 24